Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD. Today is Saturday, March 6, 2021. It is 7:33 and 17 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, vision impairment. So let's hop to it here. Vision impairment is associated with mortality. Date March 6, 2021. Source Michigan Medicine, University of Michigan. Summary. A meta-analysis finds that vision impairment and blindness are tied to an increased risk of mortality, prompting the need to address global eye health disparities. The global population is aging, and so are their eyes. In fact, the number of people with vision impairment and blindness is expected to more than double over the next 30 years. A meta-analysis in the Lancet Global Health, consisting of 48,000 people from 17 studies, found that those with more severe vision impairment had a higher risk of all-cause mortality compared to those that had normal vision or mild vision impairment. According to the data, the risk for mortality was 29% higher for participants with mild vision impairment compared to normal vision. The risk increases to 89% among those with severe vision impairment. Importantly, 4 of 5 cases of vision impairment can be prevented or corrected. Globally, the leading causes of vision loss and blindness are both avoidable: cataract and the unmet need for glasses. The researchers sought to better understand the association between visual disabilities and all-cause mortality. It is important these issues are addressed early on because losing your vision affects more than just how you see the world. It affects your experience of the world and your life. This analysis provides an important opportunity to promote not only health and well-being, but also longevity by correcting, rehabilitating, and preventing avoidable vision loss across the globe. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. We hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.